I would now request she will now present a bouquet of flowers and Uttariya to Dr. Noor Banu Sattar, Assistant Professor in Ancient Indian and World History, the Sanskrit College and University, and also the editor of Ratna Bharatam. She will now present a bouquet of flowers and Uttariya to Shri Pradeep Chopra, Chairman of iLead.
Shri Pradeep Chopra ji, Dr. Phanikant Mishra, Regional Director, Archaeological Survey of India, Dr. Tanmay Kumar Bhattacharya, Assistant Professor in Sahitya Department of Traditional Oriental Learning, Dr. Noor Banu Sattar, Editor of Ratna Bharatam, Shri Gautam Haldar, Deputy Superintendent, Archaeologist, ASI Kolkata, Shri Krishnendu Bhattacharya, Senior Correspondent, Times of India, Kolkata, Dr. Jeevan Kumar Patnaik, Editor, Ratna Bharatam, distinguished personalities present here, ladies and gentlemen, and friends from media. I am very happy to be present in this august gathering for honoring Dr. Phanikant Mishra by bringing out the felicitation volume entitled Ratna Bharatam, Glory of Archaeology, Art, Epigraphy and Protection of Cultural Heritage as a mark of honor to a veteran archaeologist who is known for his lifelong achievement in archaeology and history. As the very name suggests, the volume Ratna Bharatam unfolds the ancient glory of archaeology, art, epigraphy, conservation, and museum heritage. In other words, it is an attempt in the two volumes of Ratna Bharatam to explore the rich cultural traditions and heritage of our country. It is well known that the scientific discipline of archaeology is a matter of serious study for the archaeologists and historians. The archaeological tool is used to unfold the cultural past of our country in the form of architecture, sculpture, painting, etc. I know Dr. Phanikant Mishra, the Regional Director, Eastern Region, and competent authority of heritage bylaws in the Archaeological Survey of India, Kolkata. Coming from the family of eminent archaeologists, Dr. Phanikant Mishra is an authority in archaeology in his own right, having worked in different regions of the country in various capacities, ranging from assistant archaeologist, superintending archaeologist, in charge of UNESCO project to the present office of regional director. Dr. Mishra is rightly credited with important excavation, archaeological discoveries, development, scientific upliftment, and formation of several new museums, as also reorganizing and upgrading some existing museums. In this connection, one has to take note of his contribution towards the method of displaying objects and artifacts and cataloging them in a scientific manner. The list is long, but special credit goes to him for the discovery of Buddhist site Dev Kothar, Rewa, Madhya Pradesh, discovery of new temple at Bija Mandala at Khajuraho, excavation at Rakhigarhi, Haryana, to name a few. Dr. Mishra is a widely traveled man He had the privilege of being assigned several tasks in foreign countries where his contribution is remembered with respect. His lectures within the country and abroad serve as an important guideline in archaeology. The authenticity of Buddha's bowl in Afghanistan unfolded by him is one of the landmarks in his career. Undoubtedly, he has acquired professional excellence, which is evidence of his devotion to archaeology and deep understanding of ancient Indian history. He is an administrator par excellence and has the capacity to take decisions and implement them. I am confident that Dr. Fanikant Mishra's work, expertise, and skill in historically important branch of knowledge will be useful to those interested in making further excavations and discoveries in the field of archaeology, thereby further establishing the superiority of Indian culture and civilization, besides serving as an inspiration to the generations to come. I highly appreciate Pratna Bharatam's endeavor to felicitate Dr. Fanikant Mishra by publishing essays in 2 volumes, which I am confident will be of immense benefit to scholars of archaeology and early Indian history who are interested in delving deep into the cultural past of Bharatvarsh. I thank you for inviting me to this book launch function. I wish Dr. Fanikant Mishra all the best in future. Thank you. Jai.
A grand success. My special thanks to Srimati Mishra and other family members of Dr. Fanikant Mishra who are present here to witness the whole event, which added extra.
Jai